his son.
This is his wife. How may I help you?
I'm just here to see Thomas.
He's not here right now.
Okay, I think you're lying to me. I think he's here. He told me he'd be here. Who are you?
Who are you?
Who are you?
I'm his wife. So, do you know my husband?
Oh, his wife.
Yes, his wife.
That's my sugar daddy.
Your sugar daddy? What do you mean your sugar daddy?
Don't worry
Listen,
about
old
it.
lady. She said bring out your man now.
Let me tell you something, you two. Get your little Puerto Rican ass off my property before I break your neck, okay?
Go get me Thomas, please. He told me to be here.
Oh,
I'm
you
here.
want Thomas?
Go get
You
Thomas.
really want him?
I want Thomas.
Okay, I'm gonna get him for you, okay?
Get my sugar daddy.
Little him.
Thinks I'm playing. I'm not scared of her. She don't know what he do behind her back. I'm not scared.
Mais madame papa, ça c'est madame